Are you ready to kick off the new year with healthy eating that doesn't break the bank? Healthy, affordable meals don't have to be bland or boring, and they definitely don't have to be complicated. In this video, I'll show you 10 healthy and budget-friendly recipes that are quick, easy, and packed with flavor. If you're tired of takeout or looking for ways to stick to your New Year's goals, this is the video for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends who might need some cooking inspiration too. Let's get started. Recipe 1. Overnight oats. A quick, healthy breakfast. Start your day with a nutritious meal that's ready when you wake up. 1. What you need. Oats, almond milk, or any milk, chia seeds, and your favorite toppings like bananas, berries, or nuts. 2. How to make it. Mix all the ingredients in a jar, let it sit in the fridge overnight, and it's good to go in the morning. 3. Tip. Make multiple jars at once for the entire week. 3. It's a time saver and ensures you never skip breakfast. Recipe 2. Quinoa salad with roasted veggies. This recipe is perfect for lunch or a light dinner. 1. What you need. Quinoa, mixed vegetables like zucchini, bell peppers, and carrots, olive oil, and your favorite dressing. 2. How to make it. Roast the veggies in the oven, cook the quinoa, and toss everything together. 3. Tip. Use leftover roasted veggies from another meal to save time. Recipe 3. Chicken stir-fry with broccoli. A quick, high-protein dinner that's full of flavor. 1. What you need. Chicken breast, broccoli, garlic, soy sauce, and a little sesame oil. 2. How to make it. Stir-fry the chicken and broccoli in a hot pan, add soy sauce for flavor, and finish with a sprinkle of sesame seeds. 3. Tip. Serve it over rice or noodles for a complete meal, or skip the carbs for a lighter option. Recipe 4. Lentil soup, the ultimate comfort food. Warm up on a chilly evening with this hearty soup. 1. What you need. Red lentils, onion, garlic, carrots, tomatoes, and vegetable broth. 2. How to make it. Sauté the onion and garlic, add the rest of the ingredients, and let it simmer until the lentils are soft. 3. Tip. Make a big batch and freeze portions for later. It's the perfect meal prep idea. Recipe 5. Sweet potato toasts, a fun and healthy alternative to regular bread. 1. What you need. Sweet potatoes and your favorite toppings like avocado, hummus, or peanut butter. 2. How to make it. Slice the sweet potato into thin pieces and toast them in the oven or a toaster. 2. Add your toppings and enjoy. 3. Tip. This works great as a quick snack or a creative breakfast idea. Recipe 6. Banana pancakes, a delicious guilt-free treat. 1. What you need. 2 ripe bananas, 2 eggs, and a pinch of baking powder. 2. How to make it. Mash the bananas, mix in the eggs and baking powder, and cook small pancakes on a hot skillet. 3. Tip. Add a drizzle of honey or a sprinkle of cinnamon for extra flavor. Recipe 7. Veggie-packed pasta, a family favorite that's quick and customizable. 1. What you need. Whole grain pasta, your favorite veggies, tomato sauce, and some grated cheese. 2. How to make it. Cook the pasta, sauté the veggies, and mix everything with the sauce. 2. Add cheese on top and serve. 3. Tip. Use frozen vegetables to save time and money. Recipe 8. Homemade hummus, a healthy dip or spread that's so easy to make. 1. What you need. Chickpeas, tahini, lemon juice, garlic, and olive oil. 2. How to make it. Blend everything in a food processor until smooth. 2. Adjust the seasoning to your taste. 3. Tip. Pair it with raw veggies or whole grain crackers for a quick snack. Recipe 9. Baked salmon with lemon and herbs. Perfect for a fancy dinner that's easy to prepare. 1. What you need. Salmon fillets, lemon, garlic, and fresh herbs like dill or parsley. 2. How to make it. Place the salmon on a baking tray, season with lemon and herbs, and bake in the oven. 3. Tip. Serve with a side of quinoa or roasted vegetables for a complete meal. Recipe 10. Dark chocolate energy bites, a healthy snack to satisfy your sweet tooth. 1. What you need. Oats, peanut butter, honey, and dark chocolate chips. 2. How to make it. Mix all the ingredients, roll them into small balls, and refrigerate until firm. Healthy eating doesn't have to be expensive or time-consuming. With these 10 recipes, you can enjoy delicious, nutritious meals without breaking your budget or spending hours in the kitchen. Which recipe are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Let's make this year the healthiest one yet.